Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch. Today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to make some easy ghost coasters. The very first thing we're going to do is just draw out basic ghost shapes. I hope you like the ghost coasters, and remember, I did these out of wood, but you could easily do it out of cork and just paint it and do it that way instead. If you wanted to get the kids involved, this is a great way to do it. You can either cut out the wood pieces and then just have them paint it, or cut out the wood pieces, paint it, and just have them draw on the faces. So I hope you like them, hope you give them a try, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.